Welcome back, Mogverse, to another in-depth review. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most talked about military logistics vehicles of 2025, the 7000 megavolts DXM series modular military cargo truck. Over the next several minutes you'll get a detailed breakdown of what this truck is, how it performs, what makes it different from other US military cargo platforms, and the latest information on pricing and real-world use. If you're here for a comprehensive analysis, stick with me. This review is packed with technical insight, performance data, and context straight from recent field reports. When the US Army and several allied forces announced the development of the 7000 megavolts DXM series in late 2023, expectations were high. The concept was simple: build a modular, highly capable tactical cargo truck that could adapt to different mission profiles, from heavy load transport to rapid response support. In 2025, the 7000 megavolts DXM has become one of the primary workhorses in US ground logistics, replacing older fleets that had served for decades. Right off the bat, one of the standout features of the 7000 megavolts DXM is its modular design. Unlike traditional cargo trucks with fixed bodies, the DXM series comes with a standardized chassis that allows operators to swap cargo beds, flatbeds, refrigerated modules, fuel tankers, and even mobile command units. This flexibility is not just marketing, it translates into real operational efficiency. In practical terms, units deploy with a base vehicle and can reconfigure it within hours to meet changing mission demands. Under the hood, the 7000 megavolts DXM series is powered by a 6.7-liter turbocharged diesel engine paired with an advanced automatic transmission. In circuit testing conducted by independent military evaluators in early 2025, this powertrain produced around 450 horsepower and 1,250 pound-feet of torque, figures that put it well above many legacy military cargo trucks. What this means on the ground is strong acceleration even when fully loaded, the ability to maintain higher average convoy speeds, and improved performance in rough terrain. Speaking of terrain, the 7000 megavolts DXM series' suspension and drivetrain are engineered for both on- and off-road performance. With an independent front suspension and heavy-duty rear leaf springs, the truck maintains stability across uneven surfaces. Coupled with all-wheel drive and locking differentials, it can handle steep grades, soft soil, and rocky trails that would slow down or strand lesser vehicles. Troops in multiple Army combat training centers have reported confidence in the DXM's ability to traverse terrain that would previously require specialized off-road vehicles or additional support. Fuel economy has always been a concern with tactical vehicles, and the DXM series does not disappoint. In controlled evaluations, the truck achieved an average of 8 to 10 miles per gallon under mixed load conditions, impressive for a vehicle in this class and comparable to or better than many heavy logistics platforms currently in service. The enhanced fuel efficiency comes from a combination of modern engine management systems, intelligent power delivery, and aerodynamic considerations in the cab design. The cab itself is another area where the 7000 megavolts DXM series shines. Previous generations of military cargo trucks were notorious for Spartan interiors and minimal ergonomics. The DXM changes this narrative with a semi-ergonomic cockpit, fully adjustable seats, digital displays, and integrated systems for navigation and situational awareness. Soldiers consistently report reduced fatigue on long hauls, better communication interfaces with command networks, and easier controls for auxiliary systems like lighting and climate. Safety is critical for any vehicle operating in or near conflict zones. The DXM series includes modern safety systems such as anti-lock brakes, traction control, and electronic stability control. Optional armor packages are available for units operating in higher threat environments, and modular add-ons like run-flat tires and blast-resistant components can be deployed as needed. These features are not only about survivability, they help protect cargo and personnel, ensuring that critical supplies reach their destination intact and on time. So how does the 7000 megavolts DXM compare to other military trucks in actual performance? In US Army testing, the DXM was evaluated against legacy systems such as the older 5-ton class cargo trucks and interim vehicles that bridged the gap while newer platforms were developed. Across acceleration, payload capacity, reliability, and maintainability, the DXM outperformed or matched these vehicles in nearly every category. In particular, units noted fewer maintenance issues during field exercises, and when repairs were necessary, the modular components made replacements quick and efficient. Payload capacity is a key benchmark for any cargo vehicle. The 7000 MV DXM series has a base payload rating of approximately 10 tons, depending on configuration. This places it above many traditional medium tactical vehicles and closer to the heavy class, while still maintaining agility and speed. The modular design again demonstrates its value here, whether configured for cargo, fuel, refrigerated loads, or troop transport. The DXM maintains consistent